Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by committing to a precise question. This keeps scope manageable. Once chosen, gather 6-8 reliable sources, textbooks, a primary document, and one interview. Make sure to record bibliographic details as you go so citations won't become a backlog. Set a simple timeline with 2 to 3 milestones: research, draft, and finalization. Start filling your project folder with scanned pages and notes. This early organization saves hours later and clarifies what evidence you still need. Now you move into deep research and structured analysis. Extract 10 to 12 distinct evidence points, recording date, author, and any obvious bias so interpretation stays honest. Then group that evidence into 3 sections: background context, main argument, and critical evaluation. This becomes your project spine. Once done, draft body paragraphs using Peel, state a point, cite evidence, explain its significance, and link back to your question. Make sure to write transitions so each section flows logically into the next. To finish, assemble the formatted project: title page, table of contents, main text, bibliography, and any appendix materials. Then revise for clarity, tighten sentences, confirm dates and citations, and ensure you meet the page or word limits. Practice a 5 to 7 minute oral summary that highlights your question, key evidence, and conclusion. If a problem arises, missing sources or contradictions, use your troubleshooting checklist, recheck archives, consult a teacher, and clearly note limitations in your evaluation so marks reflect honest scholarship.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.